When writing technical documents, URLs are a common thing to include in your text. These may be marked as incorrectly spelled by Word. You can, however, configure Word so that it ignores them. It goes without saying that the Internet is a daily aspect of life for most people. The pervasive presence of the Internet can, however, be bothersome for writers. The biggest problem is that many spell checkers and grammar checkers, including the tools included with Word, don't quite know what to do with Internet addresses, such as URLs or email addresses. You can see that I have two of them on the screen here. The top one is a URL, and the bottom is an email address. Both of them have the red squiggly underline that indicates that Word thinks that these are incorrectly spelled. You can instruct Word to ignore anything that looks like an Internet address when doing a spell check. To enable this option, go ahead and display the Word Options dialog box. At the left side of the dialog box, you want to click on the Proofing option. And then the option that you need to pay attention to is this one right here, Ignore Internet and File Addresses. If it's not selected, then Word will mark those as incorrectly spelled. But if you select this option and then click on the OK button, all of a sudden they are not marked as incorrectly spelled. Word ignores them when doing the spell check. You can see that the red squiggly underline is gone from these addresses on the screen. If addresses such as these are marked as incorrect in your documents, you'll want to make sure that you enable this option so that they won't be marked in the future. It will make your screen just a little bit clearer, especially if your documents include lots of these types of addresses. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for the free WordTips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.